Hello everyone, in this video we are going to demonstrate the most popular multi-child layout widgets, column and row. Let's discuss them one by one. Let's start with the column widget. The column widget is multi-child widget used to arranges its children in a vertical top-down layout. The column widget has properties main axis alignment, that is along y-axis cross-axis alignment, that is along x-axis in children. Let's check an example of column widget. We have used three containers of different color, that is yellow, green, and pink, as children of column widget. These widgets are separated using size box widget and started from the start of main axis of column widget. Now discuss the row widget. The row widget is multi-child widget used to arranges its children in a horizontal left to right layout. The row widget has properties main axis alignment, that is along x-axis cross-axis alignment, that is along y-axis in children. Let's check an example of row widget. We have used three containers of different color, that is yellow, green, and pink, as children of row widget. These widgets are separated using size box widget and started from the start x-axis, that is the main axis of row widget.